All right, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone, and welcome back to Authentic Media. So, in this particular video, we are going to be talking about this particular crypto project that is currently making the rain right now in this project crypto space, and this project is called SRIN. So, if you are in this space and you have not been participating in this particular project, then I have to be honest with you, you are really missing out on what is currently trending, right? So, if you are not here, I will advise you to get started immediately after watching this video. The link will be in the description section and comment section of this particular video. So all you have to do is just to connect your S account, and they are going to be a kind of minting your X to see the value your S holds, and that will amount to the amount of SRIN tokens that they are going to allocate to you. So from there, you can go ahead and start building right here, or let me say evolving, by performing tasks, referring people, collecting your daily check-in, collecting your signal, collecting your daily spins. Like, there are a lot of things that you can do right here to gather more of these RAIN tokens, right? So that is the basic things that you need to do. So in this particular video, we're going to be talking about RAIN token and how to connect your wallet in this particular project, right? So as you guys can see, I currently hold over 30,000 RAIN tokens right here and over $80 in my total assets, right? So I will show you guys how to connect your wallet and withdraw your USDT when the TG goes live, right? So we are going to be taking everything bit by bit, but I just want you to take your time and navigate through this particular project. If you are just joining, or maybe you've not joined, just join immediately and take your time to navigate. So here is the home dashboard. Here is the signal where you choose a signal for your choice every day. You can just predict. Me, I'm predicting, but I'm not really paying attention in the prediction, so I just choose crown every day, as you guys can see, because this is the house that I belong in, right? You can come right here to spin, collect your daily spin and daily wheel spin. Come right here and check all available tasks to perform, and this particular one is rank, so you can come right here to see your level and every other person's level. So here is your profile. So let me take you guys to my profile so that you guys are going to see how the interface look right here. So here it is. In this particular section, you can track everything about you, your ID, total current balance of RAIN token that you currently hold, everything that you're supposed to know and everything you're supposed to take note of in the RAIN project, right? So this is not a regular mining project. This is a lot of things. You collect daily check-in, you spin, you perform tasks, you refer, and a whole lot of it all. So you can do a lot of things right here to gather as many RAIN tokens as you can for yourself, right? So before we proceed, I want to take us to their official S handle, where we are going to be taking a look at some informations that they really have for the community. So let me take you guys there, because this is where, or let me say, this is where I get my major drive on this particular project. So as you guys can see, this particular post was made on the 4th of July 2026, and it reads in part. It says, RAIN matters. We've already secured listing agreements with 3 major centralized exchanges for the RAIN token, right? They say they have already secured listing exchange with 3 major crypto currency trading platforms. That is the likes of Binance, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, and so on and so forth. Though they didn't disclose the exchanges, but that is what it simply means, that they have secured secured listing agreement with 3 major centralized exchanges. We don't really know if this particular information is real for now, because we can't just verify it, okay? But they're just letting us to know, okay? So on the long run, we'll just get to know how everything is planning out. So they say TGE is coming soon. Clear your schedule for September 1st. So the listing is coming on September 1st. So we have, like, let me say, a month plus to farm this particular project. So before then, make sure you use every opportunity to maximize your RAIN allocation. Complete task, spin the roulette, train RAIN AI through signals, and this is only the beginning. Another major announcement is coming very soon, okay? So this is where I drive my major concern in this particular project. Like I said, we can't just really verify or authenticate this particular information, but this is what they are letting us to know, that they've already secured listing with 3 top crypto trading exchanges, and their TGE, which is token generation event and listing, will be coming up on September 1st. So as I normally advise you guys, this is a $0 airdrop. So to be very honest, you don't really have anything to lose. So if you're not participating, I think the choice is just yours. But at the end of the day, to be very honest, you don't really have anything to lose right here, because it's a $0 airdrop that tend to reward us massively on the long run if everything turns out to play well. Okay, so that is the update that I really want to share with us in this particular video concerning the project. So how to connect your wallet is very simple. Okay, because you need to connect your wallet ahead of time, because that is where you are going to be receiving the USDT that you currently hold, and whenever they list, that is when we can be able to move ahead and get the value of our SRIN token. So this is how you connect your wallet. You click on your wallet section right here at the upper part of your screen. So you tap on the wallet button, then you wait for them to bring you to your treasury dashboard. So you guys can see my treasurer, I currently hold over 30k SRIN token, which is over $1,500, and my USDT balance is over $80 right here. So you accumulate all this simply by showing up on this particular project daily, simply by doing all the necessary things that you have to do, which are the things that I've already mentioned in the past. Number one is daily checking. Number two is spinning the roulette. All these things are right here. So your daily checking is here, then you collect signal right here, just make any prediction of your choice, then you spin the wheel roulette, then you perform all available tasks. Okay, so these are the major ways that we gather everything we have right here, and above all, you can be able to refer your family and friends on this particular project as well. Okay, and as they are gathering their own SRIN token, you are also going to be getting some portion from what they are getting. So by simply copying your referral link right here and share it on all your platform, or share it to anybody that really wants to join this particular project. So as they are building right here, you are also going to be getting some portion of their earnings. So that is just simply how we were able to gather all these assets that you guys are seeing right here. So let me refresh my dashboard so that we can proceed back. Okay, so as I was saying, simply by doing all these things that I showed you guys, that is how we gather this SRIN token and the USDT balance that you are seeing right here. So there's no rocket science. You just have to take your time and continue building with this particular guys, the SRIN ecosystem. All right, so all you have to do is to click on this wallet box right here, then you scroll up a bit and you see ready to cash out. Connect your BSC BEP20 wallet to start the USDT withdrawal flow. Your balance stays secure until you complete the steps. So you can go to any DEX wallet of your choice, any Web3 wallet of your choice, maybe your MetaMask, your Trust wallet, your SafePower, your Exporter, your OKS Web3, BitGate Web3, and so on and so forth, and just get your USDT BEP20 wallet address, then come right here and submit it. So in my own case, I'm going to be, sorry guys, let me take this out. In my own case, I'm going to be submitting my OKS Web3 wallet, although this is still my MetaMask wallet. Okay, so make sure that you are using a non-custodian wallet, which is a decentralized wallet, that you have the secret phrase, right? Don't copy the address from a crypto trading exchange, right? So all you have to do is to come and tap on the USDT. Once you are already on the wallet that you want to use, then you tap on the USDT section of that wallet that you want to use, and you make sure that the network that you choose is BNB chain. Okay, make sure it's BNB chain, Binance Smart Chain. So as you guys can see, there are a lot of chains right here: BNB, S-Layer, Tron, Ethereum, and Ethereum and BNB is the same thing when it comes to EVM BEP20, that is EVM BNB wallet address. But just make sure that you are on that BEP20 network right here, or let me say BNB chain. Then you just go ahead and copy your wallet address and paste it. Okay, that is just basically all you have to do. So I've already copied my own wallet address. Let me come back to the interface and we proceed from there. So let me just minimize and go back to the dashboard. Alright, so I'm already in my dashboard. All I have to do is just to click on this button that says withdraw USDT. Okay, so let me tap on it and you wait for them to bring you in this particular interface. So you can see BSC BEP20 wallet, paste your BNB smart chain address. This is where your USDT payout will be sent. Okay, so you just tap on it right here and paste the address that you copied from your DEX wallet. Then you click on save and continue. and you can see saving. All right, so requirements complete. These are the necessary things that you need for you to be able to submit your wallet. So they say requirement complete. You've met both conditions. Continue to finalize your withdrawal setup. So you just have to bring only one person and be able to complete at least 5 tasks. Then you click on continue. Then let's wait and see where they are taking us to. Okay, all right, so they have already recorded our wallet address right here, and you can go ahead to TG claim window. All right, so they've already recorded our wallet address right here, as I said earlier, and you can go ahead to change it if you really wish. So they say payout schedule for TGE, your total token and your USDT, everything is reflecting here. So they say keep earning before TGE. Your payout isn't locked yet. Stack as much SRIN and USDT as you can before claim day. Complete task, invite referrals, and spin the wheel to maximize your reward. So withdrawal confirmed. SRIN/USDT at token generation event. Your balance are queued for distribution. Both SRIN and USDT will be claimable during the token generation event, which is the TGE, and you can see a snippet of the wallet address that you submitted. All right, so this particular one right here is showing you to change. That's if you really want to change, but for me, I don't have anything to change. There's a plan TGE September 1st. All right, September 1st is when they plan the token generation event and listing. So as the event unfolds, we just have to keep following them up and see how everything turns out to play at the end of the day. All you have to do is just to make sure that you do your own due diligence and leave the rest for them. I understand. But to be very honest, you don't just have to get high hopes. We all know in this space, you just have to do your best and leave the rest for the ecosystem and nature to decide. But you just have to do your own quota. You understand? So that's just basically that. But to be very honest, this is going to be too really good to be true if these guys really reward the community at the end of everything. But like I said, let's not just keep high hope. Let's just keep showing up daily and see how everything turns out to pan. At the end of the day, we can never be unfortunate for a whole 365 days, right? Breakthrough is coming, and our payday cash out day will definitely come as well. All right, so this is just basically what I really want to share with us in this particular video. So if you are not on XREIGN, get started immediately after watching this video with the link in the description section and comment section of this particular video, and do everything that I've showed you guys right here to gather as many SRIN tokens as you can. And you have if you're already on the project, go ahead and connect your wallet address ahead of time. You don't just have to wait. Do that immediately after watching this video. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in our next video. Take your SRIN project serious, and bye for now.